Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, halogen headlamps, voice-activated command system, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, four-wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.